ICON stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Icon Energy stock has already gone down 11%, which is quite steep, quite hard, quite high, quite a lot. And we have an upcoming reverse, but that's going to about to happen tomorrow on April Fool's Day. Specifically with this thing, I do think that I have some previous receipts. Seems like I don't, which is fair. But yeah, my outlook is just still one of the most liberating experiences ever. It's still bearish. You can see previously I was bearish, and that was in February. I mean, since this video was made not only like a month ago or so, not only was I absolutely correct on it, you know, it was 34 cents at the time. Bro, this now is like 4 cents. It is tough. That's why we have like a reverse split. Therefore, I'm not even gonna bother to analyze this, because it's about to change, right? Times 40. So but it'd be 16 bucks or something. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce.